Tell me you want to stop.
What are you doing?
You can get up.
It's full sizing. It's like a Rooney, mandala, and the bottom. And shin.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
All of that?
How is it? Okay?
Yeah.
Not very decent. It's like that structure, isn't it?
Yeah.
What I would do...
Come on, chair over.
I'd buy two bang it on your
Well, it
thigh,
still hurts.
or a tube and out when you
Start
tie.
with that.
Start with that, and when you tie, when you feel like
Didn't
it,
know if you do that. No.
halfway through.
But I figured out that I didn't do it properly.
I'd buy
Supposed to
two
heal the
now,
skin
and
first,
I'd
and I
put
didn't do that.
tube and a half.
Silly Billy.
Maybe two.
That's why it's not working. Oh, hello? How many times have you taken a full idea?
I thought you'd better do it.
Stop. So you know, I think it was full, and then like that, didn't it?
Not what we used to be, alright.
Yeah, that one. You have one. Right.
I'm talking about him.
Right, see you later. Just keep it up from school, I'm freezing. Oh, what a hard life.
Have you ever thought I wanted to rent like peaceful day of tattooing instead of listening to you rabbiting off?
Well, it'll be peaceful, isn't it? That's what fucking know. Sorry.
Yeah,
I was trying to get
when
the
as soon as you
film
came
This is my worry about me. I feel like I've got an alright pain tolerance.
Why is that a worry then? That's a good thing. I'm in there ready for bed to pieces.
Really? Well, it's a different part of your body, isn't it? That'll probably hurt more.
There's
I was going to say, it
What?
probably hurts more.
19's drinking about 20 to 25 cups.
He's not allowed to anymore, is he?
That's fucking crazy.
It's worth it. Thanks for that. Right, you got this.
Yeah,
Got
I thought
this.
you wanted to say that to me.
Just put the. Just put
And
all
that's
of
what
that.
she was cut down.
Yeah.
And they came back to this car.
Yeah.
Mentioned it to the GP yesterday and told me that it's in the heart disease.
What?
That's what he's got. Something to do with narrowing of his arteries. I think he's got put down on smoking. No alcohol, no fatty food.
You might as well die then, hasn't he, really?
Well, it's like he says, he doesn't drink alcohol.
Well,
But he doesn't.
You're taking all the good stuff away. Blackpool. Liverpool.
No, well, it's Chrissy Pope's wedding.
No, it was Julie's birthday.
Yes. We didn't go on that
Hey?
I got 2 fines when we got home to Manchester.
When we went to
No,
Manchester.
when me and Nigel went,
Oh, yeah.
driving in the bus lane.
Oh, you fucking kidding.
Down, you couldn't see. You had your visor up, you couldn't see because it was hitting you in the face that hard. So you had to have your visor like a tiny bit, you squint in your eyes, and you'd go around, and then you go over the bridge, and that left-hand bend was flooded 3/4 of the road. So it was either miss it or go through it. Fucking, I'm coming off that bridge at full pelt and going right round that puddle.
Palmer didn't even turn, he went straight
He
into
went
the
straight
tyres.
into the tyres.
He hit him that hard, the tyres went over him.
It took 4 of them to drag the car and in out of the tyres. He was very absolutely very. But everywhere you went, you was drifting round the corners. It felt amazing. And then you got under the tunnel because it was dry. You felt it grip. And it just like as soon as it gripped, because you were sliding into the tunnel, it gripped, and after the time you were going towards the wall, you had like gripped yourself. That was a good day. That.
But Palmer, when he hit the fucking wall, mate, the car went up like that. As it come back down, it flicked the tyres over him. It took 4 of them to lift the tyres and pull him out.
But there was quite a lot of us, so we had a tournament. It wasn't like we just had 20 minutes out. We had a puddle was at least that big. And that was just one of them.
But I reckon the rain made it better.
The rain made it fun. I've been there before when it's not been raining. It made it fun. It was cold and it was freezing, But we was,
You couldn't see. You literally could see like 4 foot. I was like, "God, no."
yeah.
They waved everybody in.
Yeah, you couldn't see.
You had their stupid balaclavas on. That one that escaped you, take your own helmet.
Fall away, innit?
Yeah. Oh yeah. He's coming in.
I didn't say he's not hit stairs. Sorry about this, bro. I'm going to finish it back and then push it back. So I'm back. Yeah, bro. They call it murder. I'm guessing you'll be on that. If you're on about me, fuck off. You don't even do sternums. I'm the one that does them all in here. I end up doing all of them, I'll tell you. There's females in here and I still tap them all tips and ignore them. They're just like why they do as well. Literally be like, shake by
Talk to me, mate. 4, 5. Squeezed her in because she was at college.
That's the only reason Paul's coming today, isn't it? What? He's tapping his tips.
No, because I
Friday.
fucked up, didn't I? It was a
Look,
car. It
Is
was.
that you're touching the little boy again? What did we tell you about that? She?
You told us it was you. Only you.
I've missed it. Gutsy. Right.
Yeah, alright, bud. Nice to see you, mate. Don't be a stranger and all that. Alright, Poppet.
Or,
You're trying not to fall
instead
asleep.
of Gen 1,
I keep twitching
obviously
when
buy
I
a
fall
Gen 1,
asleep.
but go to Robspeed in Grimsby, book in, or message one, book in a test drive on the new generation M2 09, see how comfortable you feel. They look the same. Have you seen you before? Yeah. soon as I saw them, we were like, no, because you don't expect it from a bike, do you? Not when a bike's on you.
We don't try and race a fucking police bike, do you?
He was shit at cornering outside.
He once shit at cornering, he was safe at cornering, and then got to you on the straight.
Yeah, he had a big 1200.
What disturbed you?
Sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me.
So I did some of it dark, then some of it thick, and some of it light. Thin ways, some thick ways. You know, balls, you know, like stick.
So what are you doing for your birthday then?
Well, tonight I'm just going to go to my mum's because I've been to my dad's this week, get my private reg,
Oh,
and then tomorrow I'm off to Lincoln, off clubbing. But I've got a...
Lincoln's banging.
Yeah, apparently food was really good. So I'm off there. I've got an exam at 9 in the morning on
Oh
Monday.
God.
And then, so on Sunday I'm just going to come back.
Whereabouts are you having yours? Anyway, you have it in between here. Some people have it lower, some people have it higher. See where it is. It's not that long, is it? When is it doing?
Friday.
Huh?
Friday, 2 o'clock.
Oh, next week. It's not that far away. You can go. Why? Are you stressing about that much? Yeah. Oh, shoot, there.
That's how bad that was.
Of course I will. What are you doing?
So you actually like it as well? Because it's the blue.
All the time. Evil
Do you?
as well.
Yeah.
Literally. How are you feeling?
So listen out for radio, yeah?
Excuse me?
It's part of the design that the friend said looked like a vagina.
Oh, right.
Yes, now. That's the problem when you've seen something.
You can't unsee it.
You can't see it. I did a star sign at one day. It's like stars with a line with lines as well. I can't remember which star sign it is. But when you look at the tattoo, it's like a clock. It's like looking around. time I see that tonight now. Operator.
Do you know what? I'm going online tonight and I'm going to order absolute shitloads of CNC.
Two cups of tea.
Who? I've been all day.
I'm saying, if you got 2 cups of tea, you don't piss for England. I've had that big cup of that.
My earring.
Can you get me one of Tasnino's that I don't like in the Japanese? Yeah, I'll tell you which one's it.
Cider.
Black one.